Listen, marry me already. Marry me and I swear I will make you the happiest woman in the world.
Conley, don't make too many promises.
I don't make promises I can't keep. When I said I wanted you for myself forever, I meant every word. But look, it's fine. I can wait if you're not ready.
No. I want it.
Don't get me angry. Answer my question. Did you sleep with any man last month?
Mama, get up now. Mama, what is this now? Mama.
Now we have regret.
Are you trying to tell me you believe this script? This acting? Are you serious?
Kule, do you have something else to say?
I don't know who this girl is. I have never seen her in my life.
Something they worry you.
You slap me.
How many times I don't tell you, say, make you not touch me like that?
Me,
And I go slap
if you
you
know
again.
what now, I will deal with you now.
Something they worry you.
You never push me. You get mine, they push
open eye
me.
for me.
What's the problem now?
Hey!
You didn't get mine.
Hey! What is going on here? Huh? What is the problem?
Who be this one?
Okay, is this stupid boy you?
Okay. I beg, carry your hand. You see, if you know what you go good for you, come on your mind, come on your matter for this matter. Because I don't call you for this matter.
I am not going anywhere. I saw what you did. You were harassing her, and that is why she slapped you.
Exactly. Every
So
time
she
I want
like to slap me for my zone.
Why not go slap
But
you?
my zone, you don't know me.
Why not go slap you? I go
If you don't be watching there, if you don't be watching there, I
Is
go
her
let
body
you
your
know
zone?
I be for this zone.
Is her body your zone?
What's that?
What
So
was
person
that?
no go follow person do 1 of 4 again.
1 of 4. What
Person
the
no
hell
go
is
follow
that?
person do 1 of 4. You don't know say this girl. Okay, where you even come from? Say no
Listen
come out
to
for
me.
here.
If anybody should be angry, it should be her and not you. Now get out of this place.
Me get out of this place.
Yes.
Now you supposed to get out of this place, or that I say make it get out of this
Did
place.
you just push me?
Something they worry you.
Did you just push me?
Yes.
Did you just push me?
God come out for
Did you
you.
just push me?
Come out for
Huh?
you.
Down.
I said,
What
come
do
out for you also. You want to have you?
What do I do? What do I do?
Are you for now you go to jail for here now.
What can shake it? Idiot. No, now if I come, make them beat you. Yeah. Hey, sir. Are you alright? I hope you're not hurt.
I'm fine. I'm okay. Just be careful.
Don't mind that stupid boy. Every time he's always looking for my trouble. Every time.
So sorry. Yeah.
Thank you for teaching him a lesson.
It's okay.
Idiot. Bye-bye, sir.
Okay.
It is just market here. The same market I go to with my 2 legs and come back in less than 30 minutes. The same market you spend almost an hour. Where are you coming from?
Mama, today is market day, so there were a lot of people. And then I had a fight with a boy coming back here. Yes.
A fight with a boy? Zine, how many times have I warned you to stop fighting with boys? Are you a boy? Do you think you are a boy?
Mama, it's not my fault now. I was on my own. He came and started looking for my trouble. He was even harassing me, so I gave him a dirty slap.
Hey! You slapped a man?
Yes, now.
How come you are like this? If really you slapped a man?
It's one brother like that came and beat him up, so he ran away.
Look at your mouth. He ran away. Thank your God. You should be grateful that that brother was there to fight for you. Yes. Have you thought of what would have happened to you if that brother was not there to rescue you? He would have teared you into... Oh, can I doggy vam vam vam? Oh, chagi, what in hanako? Oh, governor will be fighting as if you are a man. Eh?
Mama, what was I supposed to do now? Will I just fold my arms and allow him disrespect me?
All I'm trying to say is that, remember you are a woman, eh? You should be conscious of yourself first. Eh? You just mind your business and stop violence, fighting here and there. It will not lead you anywhere. And then, become one. One day, people will want you.
Nobody is wanting me.
You just look at your
Nobody's
fine
wanting
face.
me. If you should do it again, I will beat him.
Beat him again?
I will beat him again.
Go and thank your God. My friend, go inside and drop that thing and come and make fire so we can put something to it. You will beat him again. I cannot want you there because someone rescue you. If not, he would have deal with you. Got it fine. Who go now? Be fighting. What is it, sir? That's in there. Anytime you come here, you go like to run go. Eh?
Come, ma. You know how my mother is now. She's not always comfortable anytime I come to the hotel.
Why? You are my friend. You need to be with your friend. So, are you telling me if I get you a job here, you won't take the offer?
I mean, I don't know. It all depends on what my mother says. And besides, you know the way... You know, my mother, there's this image of young girls that work in the hotel. She always sees them as prostitutes. You know, say, an old woman she be now.
I don't hear you. I be prostitute, no problem. Old woman, no problem. Every time, mama.
I'm at
I'm at the hotel. What are you talking about?
Yes. Good afternoon, sir.
Let me call you back. Good afternoon.
Yes. You don't remember me?
I can't place the face.
Oh, I'm that girl now. That girl you saved from that stupid boy.
Oh,
yes.
You.
Me.
I remember now.
Yes, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, sir.
What are you doing here?
Oh, she's my best friend. She comes here to visit me occasionally.
Oh, that's nice. That's very nice.
Yes, sir.
Ah. Well, my name is Kunle. I'm an engineer and I'm working on a few projects here.
Nice to meet you, sir.
I just told you my name. You don't have to call me sir.
Okay, Mr. Kunle. My name is Ezinne.
Nice to meet you again, isn't it?
Thank you, sir.
All right, let me let you girls be, yeah?
All
All right.
So now the man where you be they tell me about.
Wait, I don't know say you know him.
Oh no, Mr. Kunle. He's a very good man. Generous, kind, soft-spoken.
He looks it. I bet. Come with me. Good afternoon, sir.
I already told you my name, huh?
Oh, yes. Sorry, Engineer Kunle. Good afternoon.
Where are you headed?
I'm going for my jam lesson.
Oh, hey, is it far from here?
No, it's just there. It's not far.
Okay, hop in, let me drop you.
No, don't worry. I will just walk. It's not far again. It's just here.
Come in. Don't worry. Huh? So, you registered for JAM?
Yes. I finished secondary school 6 years ago. But due to, things are hard, my mom couldn't, train me at university.
Oh, I understand.
Yes.
So, what are you doing after your lessons?
Nothing, no. I'll just go to my mother's shop and help her sell.
Okay. So what if I invite you to my hotel so we can, sit and talk?
You want me to come to the hotel to see you?
Not to the room. We can just sit at the bar if that is okay with you.
Okay, I'll come. But I won't waste time more because I don't want my mom to be angry with me.
That's okay. That's fine. So let me give you my number so you can call me when you're coming.
I don't have a phone.
Oh. Then just let the reception call me when you get to the hotel, okay? Oh, this way you're coming to?
Yes.
Oh.
How are you?
I'm fine, oh.
I know say you don't miss me.
Miss you. Miss you waiting.
See pride. You know miss me.
I don't miss you.
How was lesson today?
Anyways, lesson was fine.
Okay. You will pass in Jesus' name.
Amen. Amen. Ukoma, help me tell Mr. Conley say I did yet to see him.
Oh, not me where you won't come soon.
Don't be you I dey see like this.
Okay.
I beg, do your work.
I will. Sorry, ma'am. Let me call you. I will call on for you. Good day, sir. Ezine is here to see you, sir. Okay, sir, all right. I will. Okay, thank you. Mom, you said you should wait for him in the bar.
Thank you, Mom.
Make thunder fire that you thank you. Say, not me you won't come see, Abi. Okay, no problem. You shall see.
I was skeptical about you coming.
But I told you I would come.
Yes, you did. I wasn't entirely sure you would. Anyway, what would you like to drink?
Malt.
Malt?
I don't take alcohol.
Ah. Pretty and decent, right?
Yes, sir.
I like that.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I have to start going. My mom will be waiting for me.
So soon?
Yes. Remember I told you I won't be staying for long.
Yes, you did, but I didn't think it would be this soon.
Yes, I have an overprotective mother who always gets upset when she has doubts about my whereabouts.
Well, I will also get upset if my girlfriend is not always in my face.
Thanks for the compliment.
You're welcome. You're very, very pretty. I've been around the place, within and outside the country, but I've never seen a girl as pretty as you. You're welcome. I like you. I know we just met, but I like you so much. And I want us to be friends.
I think I like you too.
You do? Wait, I hope you're not pulling my legs.
No.
For real? Oh, that's good. That reminds me, my friend is having an event tomorrow and I would like for you to come with me.
What time is it?
It's in the night.
Ah, no. I can't come out in the night. Oh, my mother will kill me.
Come on. Isn't it? Find something to say to her so she can allow you to stay out late.
Something like what?
She knows your friend, Ugoma, right?
Yes.
Good. So tell her that.
You say?
Why they shout now? Eh? Now just make you help me.
Listen, why I no go shout? Eh? It surprised me say, now you they bring this kind plan.
No, not me. Oh. Let me bring them.
Eh.
Beg now.
Engineer Kunle. Engineer Kunle bring this kind plan. That means the love don't they enter well. But are you sure he likes you too?
He said he does. Oh. And he has proven it. You remember he's the one that saved me from that stupid boy the other day? And he even dropped me off at my jam lesson. That was where he invited me to come here this evening. And you know that he said we should meet in the bar instead of his room.
That is true. I've not seen him with any girl since he has been here for months.
You see? That means he's not a womanizer.
He's not. Okay. Because of that, I will help you.
Hey, you will?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
What are friends for?
Ugoma, I know that I can always count on you.
You can always count on me.
Stop looking at me like that.
And for the clothes, I will help you. I will get you beautiful clothes tomorrow evening.
Well, no need for that. Because he said that he will buy me something new. Something very beautiful.
This loud I'm happy for you. And I'm sure that he will buy you a beautiful dress that will bring out your shape.
He said not just dress, so he'll buy me shoe, bag, even the wig, that wig that I'll wear. He'll buy everything.
I will for you. You see?
Ugoma, I have to start going before my mother will start.
Leave your mother. Leave those Just me more.
You know how my mother is now, eh?
Just me more now. Just me about Engineer Kunle.
I've told you now. It's just your head that I want. Okay, what do you want to know? You know you like
to
this.
know more about it.
It's very fresh, oh.
Very, very fresh. I think this is okay, huh?
Yeah.
Or should I have it as well?
Just add tea. Mama, Adana's wedding is on Saturday, oh. And her bridal shower is tomorrow. So I'll be going with Ugoma. You know, all of us, we used to be friends when we were very small.
Which Adana?
Mama, you don't know Adana? Adana now. The three of us, we used to be friends in primary school. Adana and I, that you like fighting. That one that I injured that time.
I remembered.
You know.
Okay, the one that came here with her mother, screaming that you remove one of her teeth.
Exactly. It's that girl. She's getting married.
She is getting married.
Yes, so. And her bridal shower is tomorrow.
Bridal shower?
Mama, you don't know bridal shower?
No.
Hey. Bridal shower is that pre-wedding party that they used to do to celebrate and shower the bride with love, gifts, advice by all her friends, all her close friends, before sending her to her husband now.
So, you people want to go and bath for her? After bathing her, you send her to her husband's house?
Well,
Yeah, come just Sani around now. Shower and this are all the same thing.
Okay, during your time, that is what they call it. Okay.
Hey, it is good though. Very, very good, because during our own time, we did not do it though. They did not do it for us. I'm just telling you.
Mama, you cannot compare your own time and this time now. Your own time has been a very long time. Okay? So, but Mama, don't worry. I'll make sure I do all my work. I'll make sure I sweep, clean, wash plates, everything. I'll do all the work before going in the evening.
In the evening?
No. Mama, it's usually in the evening. They don't used to do bridal shower during the day. It's at night. That is where her friends will celebrate her. We'll celebrate her throughout the night though. Then in the morning, all of us will now go for the wedding. Yes, Mama.
I'm still thinking about it. I'm still thinking
Mama,
about
what is
it.
there to think about?
You said you are going with a woman. Okay?
She's
let
even
her-
coming here,
No
sir.
problem. Let her confess. I'm still thinking about it.
Mama, there's nothing to think about though. It's just bridal shower. After the bridal shower and the wedding, I'll come back now. No.
In that case, I will allow you to go. Because I believe the day you get your own married, another person will come and bath you.
Yes.
As such a shag of man. What do you get
Mama,
to do?
thank you. Thank you, Mama.
It's okay, my dear. Mama.
Good afternoon, Mama.
Oh, Grandma. How are you doing? Welcome.
My friend is in there.
Yes, she's around. You have come to take her so that you people will go and bath the bride.
Mama, it is called bridal shower.
Shower and the bath. What is different between both of them?
Mama, you're funny.
So how's your mother doing?
Mama, she's fine.
Okay. Are you still working in that hotel?
Yes, Mama. Yes.
I wonder how your mother feels so comfortable for you working in that hotel. It's no good now. Everybody, so many people are coming there. Men, different men, you know what I'm saying. It's not good now.
Mama, Ezine.
Ezine! Ezine, Mama! Mama! They come, your friend is here too.
How far now? Mama, we'll be on our way now.
So bad, Mama.
Take care of yourself. And don't forget to take your drug.
I will not, you know. Both of you should be careful, Things are happening, Terrible things are happening, But don't know your man. You push you go and bath away though. Sand your mouth when you are there.
Mama, take care. I'll see you tomorrow.
Oh my, take care.
Mama.
Bye bye, Kenkebo. Hey, bridal shower.
Hey.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
I'm sorry I kept you waiting. We trekked to the hotel.
It's okay, but why didn't you girls tell me to pick you up?
No. We're trying to avoid anything that will raise suspicion.
I understand. Well, you're here now.
Yes, sir.
Good to see you.
Thank you, sir.
I got something for you. Just give me a minute, yeah?
Okay, sir.
Here. There's a dress, wig, and a shoe for you to change into.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Where will I change?
You can just change it there.
Okay, thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Is it that bad?
What?
The dress. The way you're staring at me seems it doesn't fit me.
No.
On the contrary, it's perfect.
Thank you. You know, I've never worn this kind of dress before.
Well, now that you're with me, you'll be wearing dresses like this often, okay? Let's start going before we're late, all right?
Okay.
All right. Let me turn this off. This way.
Oh my god. Oh, I had so much fun, trust me.
Yeah, me too. I had so much fun.
Your colleagues are so funny.
I know, right? We've been working together for like 10 years.
Especially that small girl that you were dancing with.
What's the name again? Bolaji?
That's her name.
Yeah, Bolaji has been with us for like 3 years, and she's very actually effective. Any engineer would like to have her in their team.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
You know, I've always wanted to be an engineer.
Stop.
I'm serious.
Are you joking?
I'm not. And that's one of the reasons why I drew so close to you.
You know, it's so funny how all the girls in this village want to be housewives or just own a small business. Yeah.
Seems like you know a lot of women here.
Well, I'm not gonna lie. They come to the site to sell and, you know, try to woo my boy. So I know what I'm saying.
So did you date any of them?
I think your friend has a better answer to that question.
Yes, because I remember she told me you've never had any female visitor.
Except you.
So why me?
You know what? I will be very honest with you. I couldn't get you out of my mind since the last time I saw you here in this hotel. You know, I just lay on that bed, staring at the ceiling, just in my own world. I have a confession though. You know, it was because of you I used that route the day I took you for your lessons.
Because of me?
Yeah. Remember that day the boy was trying to be funny with you?
Yes.
So I said to myself, if I saw her here, it means she lives around. So let me just, you know, use that route. And luckily for me, there you were. You're so beautiful. See that smile? Isn't it? I have fallen in love with you. I'm helpless. And nothing is going to stop me from making you mine for the rest of my life. Did I do something wrong?
No, just I've never done this before.
You don't like kissing?
Not that I've never had sex before.
You're a virgin? Oh my God. Isn't it? Marry me already. Marry me and I swear I will make you the happiest woman in the world.
Conley, don't make too many promises.
I don't make promises I can't keep. When I said I wanted you for myself forever, I meant every word. But look, it's fine. I can wait if you're not ready.
No. I want it. You know, I always told myself that I would give it to my husband. But if you're sure you're going to marry me, then let's do it. But if you're not sure, just let me be, please.
Isn't it you're looking at your husband? I'm ready. I will make you mine.
Udoka. All of them. They have checked out. Hey. Oh, Udoka, they are owing me now. Okay, they dropped the money. Okay, thank you. All right.
Come on, what happened?
They have checked out. Yes, all of them. Udoka told me that.
They checked out.
Yes.
Hey! They've checked out. Wait, are you telling me that he has gone? I mean, he's done with the project and they've all gone.
Yes. You know, I heard Mama telling Papa they came for projects in the market. And I guess they are done.
This man used me. He used me. This
You
man
need to
has-
calm down.
Why are you telling me to calm down? Calm down for what? This man took my virginity. He lied to me. He left without even telling me goodbye.
No one is above mistake.
Come on, you won't understand. This man took my virginity and he left. He left without telling me goodbye. He even dropped money. As if I'm a prostitute he picked up from the roadside. Oh, Mama, this man lied to me. He used me. This man deceived me. He has used me, so he has gone. And he didn't tell me anything. He didn't even say goodbye.
Uzuko. I feel there must be a solution. Just calm down.
There's no solution to this one. There's no solution at all. There's no solution.
Isn't it? Are you alright?
Yes, Mama, I'm fine.
But do not touch the food. Why?
Mama, I'm not hungry.
You are not hungry. Isn't it? You have been acting like this since you came back from the wedding.
Mama, it's nothing. I said I'm fine.
Nothing. Okay, no problem. Isn't
Mama,
what is wrong with you?
Mama, I don't know. For some days now, I've been feeling very weak and nauseous.
Weak and nauseous. Isn't did you see your period last month?
Mama, no. I didn't see my period though.
You usually see your period every first week of the month. What happened? Isn't it? I will ask you a question. If you lie to me, isn't it? If you lie to me, you will have me to contend with. Did you sleep with any man last month? Isn't it? Don't get me angry. Answer my question. Did you sleep with any man last month?
No, man. Yes, ma'am.
Huh. Isn't it?
Is it now? Mama, please. Mama, get up now. Mama, what is this now? Mama, please stand up. Mama, please. Mama. Hey, Chimo. Mama. Mama, please now. Mama.
It's okay. Eh? It's okay.
I've been crying since. What's going on?
Mama. Oh,
You know you're hurting yourself.
God. She shouldn't have died. It's my fault. It's my fault. I caused it. Oh, Mama is gone.
Now, isn't it? Stop hurting yourself like this. Please.
I know. What will I do without my mother? Oh, God. Oh, hey, God. Oh. Ah! Hey!
Zuko.
It's gone.
Well, I reached out to all his colleagues and I succeeded getting his address. I'm going to Lagos tomorrow. Where? Lagos. Isn't it? You and I know you haven't been to Lagos before. How will you go there?
I have to go and look for Kunle now. He must take responsibilities for his action. I am not ready to give birth to a fatherless child. I will not be a bastard and give birth to another bastard. He must take responsibility.
Zine, please. What if you don't see him? What will happen?
I don't know, but at this point, I don't have a choice.
Izimni, you know I am your best friend. I won't deceive you. I know you have said no to this before, but to get rid of this pregnancy, you need to and be free. Your JAMB result was okay, superb. Just continue your school.
Jam? How am I going to do it without Mama?
Even with Mama, I had to wait 5 years for this opportunity. And now Mama is gone. I will help you. I will talk to my mother. I will. But you need to get rid of this pregnancy.
Igoma, please, don't try to stop me, please. Just, the only thing I need is just help me with transport. Just give me transport money. I'm going to Lagos and that's fine. I'll go tomorrow.
Why you dey knock like that?
Oga, no vex.
Muko dey your eye? No, Muko full your eye.
Oga, no vex, abeg, no vex.
See all where dey this gate, you dey see me. Even the color of my clothes suppose tell you say human being dey come. You see they knock, bang. Wetin dey worry you now?
Abeg, I no see you, abeg.
You no see me. You no go ever see me.
No vex, abeg. Oga, abeg, shey na number 20 be this, na the address.
Madam, wetin be your name? Wetin carry you come dey talk, abeg? Say shey na number 20. Na number 20, I make you dey go now.
Okay.
Wetin carry you come?
My name is Ezinne. I'm here to see Engineer Connie. Now here in this thing.
Okay, you are here to see my oga.
Now house be this. Hey! Oh, thank God.
Oh, you
Oga,
don't
I
even know
don't
the house where you dey
I
go.
don't dey trek.
You don't know where you dey go? No be
know.
the house be this. Don't worry, no be here.
No, now
You
here
don't
now.
know the particular house where
No,
you
now
dey go.
you don't already talk say na your oga now.
No be wetin you say na wetin who carry you come here? Wetin be the number wey he tell you?
No, I see am for here. Now the address be
Which
this,
address you
number
write?
20. Now number 20
Number
I see
20.
for here. And now here be number 20.
So wetin happen?
Okay, tell him that Ezinne, Ugoma's friend for the hotel where he stay for 7 months, say Ezinne is here to see him.
No, you for Kukuma even write your birth certificate, carry your birth certificate. All this super story now for wetin. You don't know wetin carry you come. Talk wetin I go tell my oga. You dey open. No, na super story.
Oh.
Talk everything now.
Okay.
You dey tell me your life story. The hotel where in there for 7 months.
No. Okay, just tell him say Ezinne from Enugu. That hotel where he stay for 7 months.
Wetin dey worry? Must you talk the hotel where in there for 7 months? Ha! Oh, no, the hospital where in there for 2 months. Unko. The school where you go before you come later grow. Enter the hotel. You dey tell the story of person life because say you want see him.
He go know me. Just tell him.
I don't want throw this key on your body.
Okay, no vex.
Imagine the hotel where you stay for 7 months.
She make I stay here.
No, jump the fence. Jump the fence.
I dey wait though.
Just send it.
Madam, good afternoon.
Yes, what is it?
Madam, one girl is outside the gate. She said she wants to see Oga.
A girl? Where is she from?
She said she be Oga's friend from Enugu. Say where Oga been work before. Say she's her friend from Enugu. She come to Oga.
A girl from Enugu is... Did you get her name?
Okay, she said her name na Ezinne. Ezinne. She said Ezinne.
I've never heard of her.
Me too. But the thing be say they average. They a bit chubby. Fair. Fine.
Come with her.
Make I bring her. Okay. Are you feeling good? Are you feeling good? Business hotel. 80 or waiting they worry you. Waiting they worry you. Go.
Okay, make I dey go.
They enter. 20 years hotel. The hotel where in lodge. Go inside and they wait. Madam, see. Stand here.
Good afternoon, ma.
Come here.
Good afternoon. How may I help you?
I'm here to see Engineer Conley.
Who are you to him?
I'm his girlfriend, ma.
Jesus. Madam, excuse me. Make I dey gate, eh? Make I dey gate side. It don't be. It don't be.
Who did you say you are to my husband?
Your husband?
Yes, my husband. Engineer Kunle is my husband. I am his wife of 10 years, so...
Eh? Ma? Jesus. No. No, Ma. He did tell me he's married. In fact, I didn't see any wedding ring on his hand. Married?
Young lady, are you sure you are talking about my husband?
Yes, Ma. I know him very well. He's tall, he's dark. He has a afro hair. He even has tattoo on his hand. He didn't tell me he's married though.
Okay. You know what?
Yes.
Just calm down, okay? Have a seat and tell me all that happened between you and my husband. All right? Just take a seat.
Just sit down.
Yes.
Gucci, wetin dey happen? Why your face be like shit?
My dear, if you hear wetin my ear hear today, eh, your own face go worse pass shit. To God who made you.
Wetin you hear?
No be say I dey here. I just dey on my own here, jejely like this. Before you know it, one fair girl just enter this gate. Come knock, ba 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 ba. I say, who is dey find? He say he dey find Oga Kunle. I say, my Oga.
One girl. You don't see her before. Who she be?
I don't understand. Now me want tell you story. Which kind jam question you can't take the follow me up like that? Relax, make I tell you story now.
Ah, you too hurry with the gist now.
You go calm mellow down. Now me they tell you story. So the girl come here. Oh. I can't rush tell the girl say my Oga no dey, but my madam dey. I can't carry this girl waka go meet madam. If you see wetin this girl get mind to open mouth tell madam. Eh? Hey.
No, wetin she talk? I no dey there now. How I wan take know wetin she talk?
Now me they tell you wetin, you know, impatience go wound you. Hold on now. Do you know that this girl open her mouth, tell madam say, I am Mr. Kunle's girlfriend.
You say wetin?
I am Mr. Kunle's girlfriend. I'm waiting this girl open mouth, tell our madam. You see an agenda, eh? You see an agenda to God who made me. Una get mura die. Una get somebody shout power. Power. Person get mura. First person wife like this tell and say, your husband is my boyfriend. Una agenda and a total shutdown to God who made me.
Baby! Hey!
Hi, love.
How
was your day?
my day was fine. Who's this?
Do you recognize her?
No, I don't recognize her.
You don't?
No.
Oh, young lady, do you care to repeat everything you've told me?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Ezinne. I met Engineer Conley in Enugu 2 months ago.
Eh? You met who? Me?
Babe, let her finish, please.
Okay.
That day, he saved me from a bully. And he dropped me off at my jam lesson. So he invited me to his hotel. Initially, I didn't want to go, but he kept asking me to come. So I came. And it was in that hotel that he took my virginity.
Hey!
Promising me that he was going to get married to me.
Me? You don't see my wife here?
Let her finish.
How can I promise another woman that I'll marry her when I have a wife?
But you told me, you said you were not married.
I told you. Look at my face well, oh.
You told me that you were not married.
Look at this face well. Have you seen this face before?
After you even took my virginity, he left Enugu. He didn't tell me. I was broken. I decided to get over everything until I realized that I was pregnant. The news of my pregnancy killed my mother because she has been battling high blood pressure for years now. I tried every means to reach out to him. I asked all his friends, but none of them was willing to give me his phone number. Until one of his friends heard about my mother's death, he gave me his house address. So I decided to come to Lagos to trace the address. That was how I got here.
Can you imagine?
Are you sure this is the engineer Conley you're talking about?
He is the one.
Not the one.
It's you, you're the one.
So I've always told you that you're hiding your illicit relationships. But you constantly made me lie.
Baby, just hold on right there. So, are you trying to tell me you believe this script? This acting? Are you serious?
Conley, do you have something else to say?
I don't know who this girl is. I have never seen her in my life.
You don't know this girl?
I don't know her.
Conley.
See, don't. See, let me tell you something. Eh? If you don't know, you don't know.
Hold on. If you claim to not know her, how then did she come up with this information about you?
Maybe you should be asking her.
Why?
She said she met my colleagues. They are jealous of me. Tell me, which of my colleagues sent you to come to this house, to come and do this? To come and act for my wife?
You don't know me.
I don't know you.
You don't know me.
If you don't know and you break this beautiful family, this beautiful home that God has put together, this love I have for my wife, you see this skirt you're wearing, we'll wear together. Don't call me Kunle. Are we age mates? Add Seth to my name. What is your problem?
Because of this pregnancy, I lost my mother. I even passed jam, but I can't go because of this same pregnancy.
You think I care about all these things that you're saying?
Me.
Do you think I care? Oh, you know what? It's fine. Since you have managed to convince my wife so she can keep you here, after you have this baby, you can give it to her. Because after all, 10 years of marrying her, she has not given me a child.
Conley.
What? Am I lying? Huh? Oh. You want to act for me too? Okay.
Conley.
I'm done with this film.
Conley. I'm not lying, no, I'm not lying. And because of him, I couldn't finish school. I passed my job, I couldn't go because of this same pregnancy. It's the one.
Sister, I beg, come. Eh? See, we hear everything. You see everything you people discuss inside that house. We hear everything. You see, Kemi, now that same predicament way they go through for this house, now in this girl there inside now.
That man is evil. He's very evil. She been for this house, this man, they knock me. Call me pregnant 3 times. I still made me remove all of them.
The last person almost died here. Now me and this girl help her. We try run around for the girl, make she know that.
I don't even know what is wrong with that man. Eh? What exactly is wrong with him? Must he sleep with anything and everything? Eh? It's as if it's a curse. And he get them pregnant or he must give them belly.
He now top 9. Hot strike and I they see so. Once net they tear straight. In fact, he get one way come here, come they cry as they cry and say she is pregnant. He can't count money, throw on the girl. Come on, go and take care of yourself. The girl come they cry, carry the money they come on. Today we never see her. In fact, those ones are the ones where we know. What about the ones where we know?
This man promised me everything, though. He tell me say go give me better life. He don't even tell me say don't worry. He can't give me pellets, he can't reject me again. Even though say no me, isn't it? Not say no me.
When you enter here, they talk about hotel. The hotel went in there 7 months, hotel went in there 2 months.
In there the hotel now, in there for Enugu for 7 months. Now they take meet me.
Towards the end of staying, now when I meet. Now when I go meet like this. No problem. So come, where you they go now?
I don't know. I don't get anywhere to go. I don't even know where I want to go like this. I don't feel go back village because my mama don't die. I want to go now. This man. I don't get anybody. My papa don't die. My mama don't die.
Oh, Jehovah lay.
This man deny me. He deny me.
Orphan. But no problem. See, this time is dangerous. Since you don't have anywhere to go to, please, this my corner here. Carry your bag, go stay there. Maybe in the morning you go to work, they find 1 or 2 places where to walk or anything. Once you get, you can't carry your bag. No, go let and see you. If he see you, don't sack me.
Thank you.
Don't worry, you stand up, Joe.
You say here no be our house. If you come out like this, go meet people way pass this man.
For Lagos, I won't wound you. Come.
Would you make I go inside?
Una self, women, una like men will be rollings. What they do wrong? People will know they wear protection.
To me. You made ridicule of my situation before a stranger.
Oh, no, she is not a stranger. That is the mother of your child. I kept telling you that I don't know this girl. Yet you chose to believe her over your husband that you have known for 13 good years.
She was there. She had information that wouldn't come from anyone else except firsthand.
Did it cross your mind that my colleagues could be behind this? Did it? Maybe I earn more than anyone in that company. Didn't you think that they would want to tarnish and get rid of me?
Is that enough reason for you to say what you said to me? You mocked my inability to conceive.
Listen, I'm sorry, okay? I went overboard, but I was angry.
I'm tired. I want a child.
I know. God is going to give us one.
It's getting frustrating. I'm frustrated.
Welcome, sir. Good day, sir. Good day, ma.
What were you looking at? Huh? I'm kissing my wife and you're just standing there watching. Huh? Papa, stop cleaning this car.
I'm sorry, sir.
Sorry for yourself. Now you listen to me. The next time you open my gate for strangers, I will not only fire you, I will have you arrested for conniving with people to rob me. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Now open the bloody gate.
Sorry, sir. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? If not be poverty, waiting go warrant this woman now after everything that happened yesterday. You are following a man. You are even proudly kissing him outside with this kind of crime that he committed. Can you just imagine? Don't worry, see this thing you told me. The next time I will open my gate for a stranger. The next time you will open this your zip. Open this your zip to knock somebody picking. Now so police will still get you arrested. You too, police will get you arrested. That thing they find, you go see him. Where this idiot? Get me! Don't carry food to give me. I no go walk die say that. If you see what's in my eye, why I see today, if you see what I carry my eye see, see the kind of wahala wey madam get to. I think say this morning madam go carry all your load they go. Nah, this morning I see these two birds, these two lovers. Then they hold each other, they kiss. Baby, are you okay? How far? Are you okay? They kiss each other. Hey! I thought say don't be. To God, don't be.
Shebi, I tell you, that man all not the ordinary. How woman go there with man where they behave like dog? If they do am for her face, say that she no wan leave. That kind thing no dey ordinary now. That thing dey ordinary for your eye.
You no look ordinary, my dear. Meanwhile, just put food for my visitor, make I carry go give him.
Who be your visitor?
That girl now, no be my side she dey. Na my visitor she be from now.
Come on. I hope say you no sleep with that girl for night.
I don't understand. Which kind of yeye talk be that one? Think say I be your guy we don't lose the waiting make a man. That lose the guy you get. You think say na that kind of person I be. Make I tell you, I no be that kind of man. From the moment where I see tears in that girl's eyes, everything will be sexual attraction don't come out from my body. I dey tell you, that's why I be. Think say I be your guy. When no get self-respect. I be you. I be you think say that girl na you. That girl na you where they open leg up and down for anybody where you see. Yeah, you na wo na.
Na me dey insult.
Insult you, the truth they pain you. I just tell you, that girl no be your kind of person.
She no be my kind of person. She no dey open leg for everybody. I be. Na spiritual belle she gets, so I be.
Is it?
The belle where she gets, she be na spiritual belle.
Then we leave that side first. Give me food, make I go give them. Come on that side where you there now.
Which food?
Give me food for me, make I carry go give the girl.
I don't get any food though. Food no day.
You no get food to give the girl?
I said food no day.
Okay, no problem now. Make I ready my mouth to tell madam say you be her co-wife. Tell them some kind of places where you and Oga they run things. So I did my side.
Now what for you? Person don't feel play with you. Just small joke like this. You don't get serious.
Woo for you, not be only wow for me. Now woo for you. Woo for yourself.
I better calm down. Make I make something for you.
I don't need the food again.
Don't be small talk with the talk. Now I won't take am serious. I say make I give you food. You don't do. No, make I find food give you.
Food to me too. Eh? In fact, give that girl 3 minutes because you make me vex.
3 minutes.
3, because you give am heavy insult. So you go use 3 minutes pay for that insult. 3 minutes, better one. You good? You okay? You fine? See you later.
Don't be blackmail me.
Microwave now, sharp. If you collect small fresh air, you go inside. You don't stay here too much. You never touch your food.
I'm not hungry. I truly fell in love with him. He was all smooth. He was so gentle. He was the kind of man every girl wants. He didn't even leave any clue to show that he's fake. Nothing. In my foolish head, I thought I found Mr. Right. Even my friend Ugoma envied me. I don't know what she would think of me now. I can't even stand her.
Nah, smooth criminal he be. Smooth criminal. Let me tell you, in this life, all that glitters, most of them na painter, na hand they use. Na can small paint. Did they hear me? All that glitters are not good. In this life, mistake is part of life. Everybody they do mistake. This one now is one of your mistakes where you don't do for your life. All you need to do now is to step on it. Collect small correction from there. You forge ahead. My mother talks say, a good student does not make mistake or does not fail exam 2 times. As you don't do this mistake now, use it as part of life. You forge ahead.
I swear to God, no man born of a woman would ever see my nakedness again.
Here.
They would never.
You want see lamb? You want see the thing? Eh? You don't want marry? You not go marry?
If this is what I'm supposed to refer to as a husband, then I'd rather die single.
Yeah, you go calm down.
Kule is a devil. That man is evil.
You have to calm down. You have to. Now anger, this one is speech out of anger. When you mellow now, you will fall in love again. No be women, I know, Nana. Small. You don't fall. So where do we go from here? As waiting don't happen now. Where do we go from here?
I don't know. You know, I told you I don't have anywhere to go. I don't even know anybody in Lagos. I don't know if I can get a place, then I'll look for a job to do.
In your condition?
Yes. I can't walk. In fact, it's my condition. That's the major reason why I will walk.
The thing there is that I have a sister who stays in Naija. I've been talking to her. I will try to convince her so that she will give you small place for her house. Escort you for some time. Make you just from there get where you go stay or get work. You get? Because the risk where they take to keep you here, you don't know this my girl. Once he mistakenly find out say you did this house, a police handcuff like this, now I go take come out here. I had to tell you, I just they keep you here because of the humanity in my heart.
Thank you. God bless you. Thank you so much for everything you're doing. In fact, yeah, God sent to me. God just sent you to come and help me.
Abi? My guy who can send them to you? Now Satan send them. Now different heart people and different behavior. If he be say, if I one day now God forbid, now if he go meet one girl, I go there worse than my oga. Life day like that.
You're not like that. You're a good person. A bad person.
When you come chop your food, even if say you don't lose appetite, the baby don't know what him behind losing of appetite. So for his own sake, chop. I know why I miss am like this for you, so that if fried no work, jollof go work.
Thank you.
Don't be the chop, just pretend like saying that the baby inside you the chop. You go to enter. Confirm. I tell you now. You go. You go enter. Before you know it now, you dey meet.
Where are you coming from?
Work?
You don't lie to me, Kunle. I have been with you long enough to know when you're at work and when you are not. So where were you?
I just told you I am coming back from work.
I just got off the phone with Bolaji just 3 hours ago, and you know what she told me? And you know what she said to me? That you haven't been to work for 2 days. So I ask you again, where were you?
So you have been so jobless that you decided to preoccupy yourself by monitoring my activities, right?
You know, I don't care what you say to me. I just need you to tell me where you have been. I deserve an explanation.
And if I don't, what are you going to do? Slap me like the other day? Huh?
I'm not going to slap you, but you're not going to move an inch without telling me where the hell you have been. Kule, where are you coming from?
Get out of my way.
No. You will tell me where you're coming from.
I said, get out of my way!
Kule!
Sir? You called me, sir.
You don't know how to greet.
Good evening, sir. Yes.
Good evening. Did that crazy girl come back?
Which crazy girl, sir?
What do you mean, which crazy girl? The crazy girl you let into my house.
I don't feel remember letting any crazy girl into this compound.
Are you foolish?
No, sir.
The crazy girl that came to this living room to tell my wife that I got her pregnant.
Oh. Isn't it they call crazy girl?
You're mad. Did I tell you I went for her naming ceremony?
No, sir. No verse.
Did she come here?
No, sir. She don't come.
The next time you let that crazy girl into this house, you're done.
Okay,
Have I made myself clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, excuse me. Can I ask you one question?
What is it?
No verse. So carry your anger issue down. No verse. Sir, please. I want to ask you, man to man.
Can you ask me and stop? What is the problem?
Are you responsible for that pregnancy?
Come.
Sir?
No, come.
No need. Make
I said come.
No need. I didn't get.
No, come. Foolish boy. Asking me if I'm responsible for her pregnancy. You should have come closer.
No need. I didn't get.
Nonsense. This guy. Baby. We need to talk.
No, baby, I'm tired. Can you wait till tomorrow?
No. We need to talk now. Please.
What is it?
I've been thinking, and I want us to go for a checkup.
Checkup?
Yes.
Baby, we talked about this before, and we concluded there is no need for it.
I know we have, but I've been having this feeling lately
What feeling?
that something might be wrong with one of us.
I've gotten pregnant for you twice before. Remember?
That was over 10 years ago. Who knows? Something might be wrong with me.
No. Nothing is wrong with you, my love. We've been trusting God for a long time now. Let's not allow our faith wither now.
I'm concerned. We're not getting any younger, and you know that.
I know. I understand your fears because I share them too. But let's just believe in God this last time and trust He will come true for us. My love, you've always been the one telling me to be strong. Now it's my turn to tell you the same. God will come true. I believe Him. I know He will. Everything will be fine. Okay?
See, my dear, I think it's high time I removed you from this household. I need to take you to my sister's place because the danger surrounding you staying in this house is too much.
But I thought you said your sister is not around.
That doesn't mean you can't go there now.
Are you sure she will like the idea?
No. She might not like it, but like I said, I'm going to explain to her.
It's alright. You
See,
say so.
the thing is that I spoke with my guy. If you see how he was threatening me. Hey, my dear, if this man mistakenly finds out that you are here, hey, I don't know what will be my fate, but it's not going to be funny.
The last thing I would want to do is to get you in trouble. You've been so kind to me.
Just get ready. Once they go to work, I'll move you. If you get to my sister's house, there is food. There is plenty food in your fridge. You can see soup self wey don last 4 months. You don't block. You go remain small when you use hammer. Take break soup. All the things there. Even if she doesn't have enough food, I'll bring for you. I will even be smuggling food from here to that place for you.
Thank you very much.
So try to catch some sleep, yeah? Try to catch some sleep.
Alright.
I can remove this also self mosquito in the night. You know that the thing that they wear so also like no get sore for leg. Midnight.
Night.
Now the room be this. No mind the neighbor also. They make noise now they are away. I don't know, one man born up to 15 children there. So don't mind them. This is the room. Just relax. My sister is a traveler. As she don't give her consent now, you can relax. Enjoy yourself. There is food in that fridge. Anytime you want to eat, just go melt food. Eat. If something is finishing, just call me. See those things they grind there. Some are dry, egusi, crayfish. In case you want to change your meal. Things there. Don't worry, don't bother yourself. Just stay here. I will go out and look for a job for you. I'll be putting eye down for you. Once I see a good job, I will alert you. Don't stress yourself. Life is not ending today. Yeah? So, if you need anything, call me. I'll just go out now. Withdraw small money. Come and give you. So you have cash in hand. So, if you need anything, just call me.
I don't have a phone.
You don't have a phone? You have get SIM card?
No.
You don't even get SIM card? Don't worry. Get my phone, I go fix and I go bring and come give you, yeah?
Yes, thank you so much.
I go bring SIM card for you.
Thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome.
Mama, do you know that when I enter university, I will make sure I study very, very hard so that I will come out with a good result and take good care of you. Mama, you know abroad, Obodo Ibo. I'll take you there. Yes. I will take you there so that you can get proper medical attention. I will take you there. They will treat you. They will use all those their expensive equipment there to treat you. Oh, you know that's how these politicians, these big men, they used to do. Anytime they have ordinary headache, they'll go there. And that's the same thing you'll be doing. Any small headache, even if it's stomach pain, waist pain, this sickness that is worrying you now, you will go there to get treated. And after you are treated and you're okay, I will now take you to different countries. I'll take it, Mama, you know US now. You know London, America, all those places. Just tell me anywhere you want to go to. Just tell me. I'll take you there. You go and shop, you buy clothes, jewelries. You look fine. You look like sweet 16. You'll not even know yourself again. Don't worry, Mama. I'll do all that for you. So, don't sick. Get well.
Mom, my daughter, I trust you. I know you will take away all my suffering and change the reputation of this family. The world will see this family through your eyes. I believe in you, my daughter. The God we serve will grant you all your heart desire. And you will take me to Bodoibo. Hey, my daughter, thank you so much. Thank you, my dear. I love you so much.
I love you too.
I failed you. I failed you, Mom. I failed you. I failed my family.
You know, say pregnant women, things get them hungry, them. They chop. If you hold something, they chop now. Before you know it, to go through one, carry another one, they chop. May not be say I hold money, but I just they try for and they do small aside.
Person where they hear you, they talk about this thing. Go to say you don't give woman belly before.
I don't understand. Which kind of talk with that one? Say I no give woman belly, no means I no fit. If they see me as impotent, I've been waiting. Madam, let me tell you, now the self-respect why I keep for myself, now make me no go get any scandal with any woman who will not be my wife. Integrity choke. And so they see me like safe balancing, I balance everything about safe organization. Now they see so. Now make I still dey clicky. Forget though. It's because I didn't get my thing say I go lose myself. I can't lose who I am. Make I even ask you now. You know say the same eye where they take they see women where they sleep up and down with men. And the same eye they take see men where they sleep up and down with women. All of them no lo ture. Olo bambam, olo gindi, olo baka baka. You don't know. Okay. If they say na make you marry this your girl, where they were word now, we no get single integrity. They say make you marry him. Or make you marry me. When we say I get future, I get plans for myself, but money never come, but money go come, money go come. Which of us you go choose?
Me, I like money, oh. But money with all this wahala with Togo, I feel manage you. At least you get No to get sense,
If you manage you, let's say na popcorn, your brain dey boot. If you manage you, try and be you go manage. Who you want manage? Something they worry you.
Now the same thing I did talk about.
Let's the poor guy. Integrity is everything. Make I go get integrity.
Come here. What are you always discussing with Buchi outside?
Nothing, no. Just the normally.
Don't lie to me. You know I hate it when you lie to me.
Now why tossing a normal gist? We dey talk about that girl wey won't spoil your marriage.
You believe I'm not responsible, right?
If I don't believe you, who I won't come believe?
Hi. You see why I like you? This is why I like you. You always have my back. Eh? Unlike my wife, that is always stressing me instead of giving me children.
Yeah, I don't say you won't pick in, no.
What do you mean by that?
I don't carry belly 3 times for you now. You don't make me wash all of them. No, why I talk?
Kemi, why you talking like that? Why you sounding like this now? Eh? You know why I keep telling you to take it out now? It's because of my position at work. Just think about it. Eh? It's getting out there that I impregnated my housemaid. It doesn't sound right. Eh? If I lose my job, you will lose your job because I won't have money to pay you. Hmm? Come on. You know what, I will increase your salary. I'll add some more money for you.
How dare you embarrass me like this? Condescending to the level of sleeping with a common maid in our home!
Are you serious? Sleep with Kemi? Why would you even think of something
Don't
crazy?
Don't even play this card with me. Don't you dare, because I'm not buying it this time. I saw you draw her closer to you and was almost kissing her.
Baby, I was only helping her get something out of her.
You are a liar.
I am not lying.
You are a pathetic liar. You've always acted like you detest the sight of that girl, so there is no way you go close to her even if she was dying.
You think I'm that monstrous? That I'll see somebody dying and not help? Baby, yes, I know I detest that girl and she has this body odor, this stench.
Kule!
Yes, but I was only helping. Only helping.
So you're trying to tell me that you weren't trying to go down with her just a while ago?
Why would I do that when I have you? Huh?
Pathetic.
Babe, hey, you have to apologize for slapping me. I'm not...
I have had my suspicions about my husband's activities for quite some time now. But not once have I ever thought that the problem was right here in my home.
Madam, what is so you think I'm all? Nothing they go on between me and Oga. I swear, nothing.
Kemi, I am not a child. I know exactly what I saw, even though Kule has denied having anything to do with you.
I swear to God, there is nothing going on between me and Oga. We were just speaking with me in the kitchen, that's all.
He was just speaking with you?
Yes, ma'am.
You know, you both can deny it as much as you want, but I am not stupid. I know exactly what I saw. But then I ask, Kemi, was there a time I stopped being nice to you? I have been so good to you from the day you stepped your foot into my house. I am sure that what I pay you, no domestic staff in this estate earns as much as you do. But you mistook my generosity for stupidity. You decided to ruin my marriage. A marriage I put in my blood and sweat into.
God forbid. Madam, God forbid. I can never do such a thing, no. Me, put asunder, meeting God don't join together. No, madam, not be so you think.
Your services are no longer needed in this house. So I want you to go in there, pack everything that belongs to you, and leave my house.
Ma, please. Please, I beg. I beg you. Nothing they go on between me and Oga. Please, I beg.
If in the next 3 minutes, I see you in this place, you will not like what I will do to you.
Jesus, madam.
I said you should leave my sight.
Never reach like this. Hi, God. Madam, make I beg. Hi. Madam, don't sack me.
Eh? What type of joke is that one?
Them they use sack joke. Eh? I say, madam, don't sack me.
So what thing you do will make madam sack you?
Oga. Oh. Oga come kitchen. Come they ask me waiting me and you they talk. Before I know I'm begin come touch me. Now so madam just enter. Oh.
Can't catch you on. So you want to tell me say madam catch you on a
We never begin do anything. He won't do something, but we don't do anything.
Okay, well, you've been there, give us some time to start the thing. You never begin do something, you've been one do it.
I swear, we don't do anything.
You've been there do it in Kwano.
I just the plan make I push him before madam just enter like.
As a town planner that you are now. No, you be engineer now. You the first they engineer the things. Influencer. You be social media influencer. You first they arrange everything, they organize them before madam come enter. You this guy I don't know what in the world. You get sense at all. Shebi, no be you promise me say you are not gonna go do anything again for this house. No be you promise me. You think this man take all himself? Now juju this man use all you. No, I want to know. Okay, while madam was telling you you can leave this place now, you can go. Waiting be Oga's contribution for the matter. Waiting in talk.
He don't talk anything. He just give me signal, say make I come out.
Okay, give you signal, make it a go. Make I finish this. Make I continue with the signal. Follow like this. Hold your back. Since you're gonna road safety, make I help you. Like traffic with the traffic regulation. Come on, carry your bag. They come on for here. How say you plan where you go from here? How say you plan? Time planner. How say the next compound where they go tell you because has made the 90 your career, all the days of your life, no job again. How say you don't plan where you they enter. Mugu.
So I need to call you for 2 days before you can come and see me.
Kemi, you know I'm married. I can't just get up and come and see you.
Abi, because I came in. But if not those small girls where you dey follow, you dey push, you go get time, go they follow them, Abi.
Did you call me here to insult me? What is it? What do you want?
I don't understand. Your wife sacked me because of you. You just stay there, you don't even do anything, you just dey look me. I dey call you because I don't get work. Work no day, I don't get job. I won't start business.
What kind of business?
Only food I sabi cook. At least make I use that one whole body while I dey wait for my own husband.
How much are we looking at?
I don't do the plus and minus. 300K go on now.
Okay, there's going to be a little bit of a problem because right now I have invested money in a lot of things, so I don't have much. But I think I have some cash. Yeah. Manage this. When money comes, I will see what I can do.
Kunle, I don't understand. Like 300k I asked for. This one no reach 300k now.
Did you hear what I just said? I said I don't have enough right now, so take this. When money comes, I will see what I can do. Kemi.
I was just surprised to see her carry her bag and say that Madam sacked her.
So what did he do after they sacked her?
What do you expect that one to do? She said she tried contacting him, that he now came. He came and gave her 50,000 and said that he will be coming to see her from time to time. That after that moment where he give him that money, till now, she has called to Bobo. You don't block her number everywhere. Choke himself, choke him. If you see her to buy him, he go buy himself.
Now, wow. But why is that man like that? You know, it's one thing to take advantage of a lady, even when you know you have a wife at home. But turning your back on them is different. Why won't he at least help her start a small business?
Help who? My dear, it's like you don't know how mean that my Oga is. You don't know how hard hearted they. Somebody that opened his eyes like this and denied a baby, a pregnancy that he knows he owned, that he denied this baby, knowing fully well that it has taken him 10 years, him and his wife. 10 years, they don't have a child. They say one child like this. And he had the mind to deny this baby. And you think he will come and have pity on who? Ordinary Kemi. That one, Kemi has had three abortions like this for him. 3 like this. You don't, he has nothing to do with her. That one is just a toy to him.
I feel bad for her, honestly. I feel bad.
Yeah, I don't feel anything, you know. I don't feel anything for her. Let me tell you the difference between you and Kemi. Okay, you got pregnant without knowing that my Oga was married. But in Kemi's case, she knew that my Oga was married. In fact, she was living with us under the same roof, working for the same woman, everything. But she was still sleeping with the husband, doing abortion back to back like this, like abortion na water. You don't know. So tell me, I don't even want to talk about that Kemi again. I beg, let me even do waiting, carry me come here.
Wow.
My dear, I came to give you money. You know, they say the earlier the better. You have to take this money now. Go and start antenatal. So that you will not come and have issues in future. I don't know anything about early pregnancy, so if you go there, they will explain for you better. Ask them questions. Tell them that you are inexperienced so that they will know where to start helping you. I don't want tomorrow now. They will say, hey, baby, put leg for up, put head for ground. I will not enter trouble. Oh? Let them begin the balancing on time.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Honestly, I don't even know why you're doing all this for me. I don't even know.
But I'm not doing this for you just because of you. I'm doing this to save humanity. You see, in this life, all of us need to calm down. We need to calm down. We are all mean to each other. Everybody, we need to save humanity. We need to be better. All of us need to do better. So I'm not doing this to get anything, but to do it, I'm doing it for mankind. Let's all have conscience. Lack of conscience has dealt with us. We have to do better.
Thank you
individually.
So much. Thank you. God bless you.
And let me on this fan for you. Heat, you know they do you.
I just offer now, sir.
Okay, they touch you. Papa. Sharp. Bye bye.
Bye. Gucci?
Where did you go to?
I went to work.
You now work?
Yes.
What type of work?
They sell pure water now.
Ah. They sell pure water? How?
I know say I no tell you. But you don't try. You've been kind to me and I don't want to take advantage of that. So that money you gave to me for antenatal, I took part of it to start this pure water business. I've saved 6,000. No, I've saved 6,000 naira already. So I will also join the money to the one you gave me and I'll be going for my antenatal.
Well, I'm happy you are thinking productively. It's a good thing. But when you needed this money, you would have told me now. I could just borrow you the money. Until they happen. If I don't touch that one, I give you for that antenatal.
I know, but you don't to try. I know vex, I no tell you. No vex.
Yeah, no problem. Just that my sister came.
Yeah.
She came. She called me that she's back. I ran back to come and do proper introduction.
Yeah.
I waited for you almost an hour. You did not show up.
Try.
I begin to wonder. Say, where you can't go? And I said, let me come here and sit and wait for you.
Oh. And I for like see your sister.
Not so no.
So when is she coming back again?
Me, I don't know. You know, my sister is all these air hostess. Their work is somehow. They can be here now. 45 minutes in Lagos. 60 minutes Sokoto.
Try.
The next 30 minutes Taraba. You can see them in Jos in the next seconds. So they know they stay one place. Can even see them in Ghana now. See, they say, you come Ghana, you there Kenya. To God who made me. So don't worry, next time she come, I will call you, eh?
No problem.
And there's this small good news. My sister brought another phone, the one she is using. The one she was using. She gave it to me. So I'm going to carry the one I was using now and give to you. Maybe when you get tired, you now give it to another person. Confirm.
Hey.
I don't put SIM card already.
So I don't get phone like this?
Yes. I use my address, register them for you.
Thank you so much, Kuche. God bless you.
So my sister don't give me this one now.
Yeah,
see, and
I used to call iPhone.
Waiting be that. Waiting concern you.
Thank you so much. God bless you.
Let me rush to the office before they sack me.
Okay.
Let
me walk in.
See the one she gave to me now, 2 cameras. I don't fit dash with this one. This one na for men.
This one waiting with the...
Leave the name, you don't need them. I'm ashamed.
When can I see you up now?
Thank you.
What is this?
Open it.
Is this real?
Yes.
Wait, what? You're pregnant?
You're pregnant?
Yes, I'm pregnant.
Are you serious?
Yes.
What?
Yes.
Finally, baby. What's up, boy?
You think it's a boy?
Baby, I know it's a boy.
But we don't know that yet.
I put it in there.
Okay,
Yes.
whatever you say.
Hey.
I'm here.
What did you do? I thought I cleaned this place in the morning. Huh?
Well, I'm cleaning it again because it's dirty.
No, baby. No, you can't be doing that. Huh? Have you forgotten your condition?
Honey, the pregnancy is just 4 months old. It hasn't even started showing yet.
The more reason why we should protect it. You know what?
What?
I will call the agency so they can send a maid to be doing all this cleaning. I don't want you to be doing that.
No. No more maids, remember? Moreover, I can handle those things. The doctor said I should engage in more exercise for easy delivery.
Baby, I will not sit and watch you go through all that pain. We will have a CS.
CS?
Yes.
No! Honey, I want to have the experiences of motherhood. All of them. And childbirth is the most important part of it.
Okay.
So, no CS.
Okay. Whatever you say. But, honey, I don't want you to touch any broom, any duster to clean. Don't go to the kitchen to cook. Don't do nothing in this house.
And?
Leave everything for me.
For you?
Yes.
You're going to do the cooking?
Yeah, of course.
Cleaning?
On. Yes, go upstairs. Go.
Okay.
Go.
I like the sound of that.
Yeah, I know. Don't even leave the bed.
Including the bed?
Yes, I'll do it myself.
All right.
Yeah, you can go. I want to stress my baby. This place is clean now. Just let me put this thing on the floor to make it look like this.
Hello?
Ugo?
Isn't it finally? You got me so worried. Where are you? How are you? Isn't it what happened that took you this long to call me?
Ugo, how are you?
Forget about me. How are you? Did you find it, Jinekunle?
Yes, I did.
Thank God. So, this is why you haven't called me, okay? No wonder. You have been enjoying yourself and you forgot about your best friend.
How is Mama and Papa?
Papa died 2 months ago. We buried him last month. Mama is alright.
Ugo, I'm sorry. I'm sorry about your father, eh? Hey.
No wahala. So, tell me, how far? How your play? Just me now. Where you born?
Never born yet, though. Not so sure, so. I miss you. Just say make I check up on you now. Don't they?
Thank you. How are you? Wetin dey sup? Wetin dey happen?
Nothing.
Tram, it's not you, they whine me.
I'm fine.
Tell me wetin they do. Anytime you keep your face like this, I know something is bothering you. What is it?
Buchi, I saw him yesterday.
You saw who?
Kunle.
For where?
The place I usually sell pure water. I saw him coming out from one street. He also saw me. But you needed to see his face. The way he looked at me. Eh? He looked at me as if he doesn't even know me. And the next thing, he drove off with speed.
He shocked you. That one shocked you. You don't shock me. Oh. You don't know that guy. You don't know how mean way that guy. That guy where you see him mind dey here. His mind dey here. So no bother yourself. Whenever you see him, pretend as well as if you didn't see him. Eh? He will not care about you. That guy doesn't care, especially now that his wife is pregnant.
His wife is pregnant?
I overheard him calling his mom. He said, Mommy, God don't run am for me. Oh. Hey, my wife don't take in. Don't take in. Don't carry belly. Oh. Don't they look? People will carry before hand come. What thing you don't do?
Yeah. I'm happy for her. At least she got something to be happy about.
Not true, Sha.
Well,
So how you there? See, make I tell you, no let that man bother you. No let Kunle bother you at all. In fact, if you are selling your pure water and you see him, face your front to another side. Collect one pure water. Pretend like say no good. Stone on that side where make you hit am for head. You go your way. Make sure say you ice block that day. Hold one heavy ice block like there. Be for him forehead like this. Then you go come talk while they look you. You won't laugh you. You give person belly, person they push barrel on you. They push the thing like we barrel the waka waka. You go see and get the do so they keep face like
you need to see the way.
if I'm an idiot.
Baby. Hey. Why are you doing this to yourself? It's been 3 days. You've barely had anything to eat. Honey, we are in this together. You need to eat and freshen up. You know I cannot live without you, right? You're not just punishing yourself, but you're punishing me too, because I feel your pain.
10 years. After 10 years, I got pregnant. And then I lost it.
I'm so sorry. Okay? I understand how you feel. I feel the same way. Maybe I was excited as much as you are, but it has happened. We need to accept it and move on. See, the good news is we both now know that we can have children. I need you to eat something. I'll prepare the shower for you.
Okay.
Thank you. Come. I'll be right back, okay? I love you.
I love you too.
Bimbo! 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 What is this?
What is what?
Do not play dumb with me. I am very sure you know what this is.
What? Where did you find it?
In your closet.
My closet. Doing what? I didn't keep it there.
Bimbo. What is a blood-like content doing in your closet few days after you supposedly miscarried?
Kule, how am I supposed to know? I didn't keep it there.
You didn't keep it there?
No, I didn't.
Okay. Get up. We're going to the hospital.
To do what?
Don't ask me silly questions. I said get up and follow me to the hospital right now, else you don't like what I'll do to you.
I am your wife, not your child. So you cannot command me like that.
Really?
Yes. I am not going anywhere.
Stand up! Stand up.
I'm not going anywhere. I'm not.
Come with me.
I said I'm not
You're
going
coming
anywhere.
with me.
I'm not going. I'm not going.
Get up from that floor.
No.
Else I'll drag you to the hospital.
I am not going anywhere.
You think I'm playing with you?
Well, I'm not going.
You think I'm playing with you?
I'm not going anywhere.
If you come closer, I will break your head. I will break your teeth. Sense. You don't want to go?
Yes. God, I don't have your womb. I don't have your womb. I do not have a womb. The last abortion you forced me to do while we were dating damaged my womb. They removed it. Else, I would have died. I couldn't have married any other man. No man would marry someone whose womb has been damaged. I couldn't tell you either because you would have not married me. So I kept it a secret. I kept it a secret. until the whole issue with Kemi and the other girl started. I had to do something because you were constantly talking about going to the hospital for a checkup. And I don't want that. I just wanted us. I had to come up with the idea of me being pregnant. I thought maybe it will keep you calm for a while. I'm not talking about going to the hospital. I am so sorry. I am so sorry. Please forgive me. I was just scared of losing you.
Shut up. Shut up your dirty mouth. You were not scared of losing me. You were scared of not getting married.
No.
If you had your womb, would you have married me?
Yes. Yes, I would have.
Lies!
You.
You're a liar. For 10 whole years, you deceived me. Listen, just leave me alone, okay? I just want to be left alone, okay?
Leave me! Would you leave me now? Leave me! No, vex me, leave me. What are you doing in my house? Madam, please. I beg. They your day. They your side. This matter no concern you. No, you no go like buy my record. This is between me and your husband. You see this man, this idiot, this devil. When you call your husband.
Are you crazy? Is something wrong with your head? How dare you barge into my house and start calling me names? Are you stupid?
You see they speak English. They hear I'm this good. You see get mouth to talk. No wahala now, eh? I go bet you now with this acid now. Jesus, acid! Put it down! Put it down! Put it down! Do you know what I've been through? Do you know what this stupid husband of yours have put me through? Do you have an idea of waiting I don't go for this house? This idiot turned me into a knocking machine. Every day they knock me. Morning, afternoon, and night they knock me. He go knock you for up. I go this downstairs, they hear on a soundtrack. He go still carry his stupid self come. Come tell me say you not satisfied. Still knock me on top. Do you know how many times I don't come up belly for this man? 3 times. You hear me? 3. You did what? Yes, you heard me. 3 times. I got pregnant for this stupid husband of yours. He made me come out all of them. On top of still come knocking me join.
Why, Auntie?
I better come out, make I bet with this acid in the craze. All of that, they're mad.
Kelly, see, I'll add. You asked for 300, right? I will add 700,000 for you. Make it 1 million. I'll give you 1 million.
I don't want to. I want to disfigure this your fine face. You see this your face? I want this figure and in fact, I won't make you die. Make me too can't die join. Waiting with that.
There's no need for that now.
Okay, make I full and talk.
Okay, go talk to her.
No try me, no try me, Buchi. Just come out, oh. Okay. Come out.
Don't come out.
Okay.
Buchi, don't come out.
Okay, which one be make I don't come out? Okay, make I don't come out.
Yes.
Where I see the day. Okay. I beg no verse. Just calm down. Melo, even as you won't palm this acid, you still talk fine face. Make I destroy your fine face. Meaning say your mind still there, calm down.
I beg. No, just start. This matter no concern you. Because I didn't tell you, there for this, I didn't tell you what this man they do me. What thing you do? You stop him.
But I won't take stop him. When 2 adults like you and Oga, they enjoy yourself. I not tell you. I tell you stay away from this man. You say you no go do again. But you go reach kitchen, make you turn garri, then go turn something inside you. Make you hang clothes, then go bend you. Make you clean ground self, then they bend you. What do you want make I do? After you don't promise me, say you no go do again. Oh yeah, just calm down.
I beg, leave me.
He said he will give you 1 million.
Leave me.
I'll give
leave
you
me.
1 million. 1 million. I'll give it to you right now. Right now.
I beg. Huh? Go give you 1 million. You know they lie. As you talk and
which one be saying you know they lie? Make you join, make I see now.
Let me get my phone.
If you say I go pass this thing, you're mad. You go collect the phone when you get it. I come here, come play. I go use this thing, bet you now you're mad.
Sorry, he's bringing the phone.
Make you bring that, make you do I'm not seeing. This I call you.
This one, I hear your money.
I still
have your account.
I don't know. I know they see anybody. Anyone who will pay anybody.
Check.
I go check him now. Make I confirm first. Make I not confirm my money.
1M. Your account fit carry am.
Which kind sub be that one?
Show ti wọlé.
Stupid man.
Ó wọlé ti.
You are very lucky. Go and thank your stars. Stupid man.
Run. To God who made you.
If I then make I use this one bait you the praise. Wait. Madman.
You don't make him. To God who made me 1 million. You know even waste time. Even if not 10%, I can take nobody.
You my person now. I will find something for you.
Sure, girl.
You know my person now.
God,
after you go send your account, make I wire some small thing for you. You my person.
How much?
You be.
How much you want to give me?
100K no go bad now.
I do okay with that. I do okay with that, my love.
Mind this
Thank
idiot.
You. I beg, give me this acid, make I throw away for you. You no go good, make you carry am the waka.
This one over acid now, water now.
You say?
Water?
I don't understand.
Why I won't see acid? I don't understand. I just won't die.
No, joke now. You want use
I know they joke. Open them now. Water they inside.
Now water you take only 1 million.
Before I needed to, display some madness. This man won't use me play. They crazy.
Jesus! Eligwe! Ego muzo purified bottled water. Ha! Ego muzo water keji na 1 million. Jesus! Water? Ordinary water?
Before.
I beg. No vex, make we go finish my own side. Ya choro me here.
Bring your this thing.
Go before police dey involved.
Which police?
Babe, why are you treating me like this? Why are you treating me like I did something unforgivable? Remember you had an affair with Kemi in our home and you got her pregnant 3 times. Yet I forgave you. So why can't you do the same for me? Why can't you forgive me?
I am not upset with you. I am upset with myself and ashamed of the terrible person and husband I've been to you and all those girls out there. I used my position in the office to take advantage of a lot of ladies, promising them heaven on earth, only to give them hell in the end. It is because of all of these things I I can't look you in the face.
No. No. We are human. We're human and we're bound to make mistakes. We have both made mistakes in the past. But the most important thing is that we realized and we're willing to make amends. We should be more concerned about looking for a way forward. I know you are a man and you deserve children. You deserve children which I cannot give you. So, I'll understand if you don't want me anymore or you decide to take a second
I've been
wife.
trying to find her for over a week now.
Find who?
Ezinne.
Who is Ezinne?
The girl that came to the house a month ago saying I impregnated her.
You are responsible for the pregnancy?
Yeah. I'm sorry, baby.
That's okay. So where is she now?
I don't know. I saw her some time ago selling pure water in Naija. I've been going there for 4 days now, but still can't find her. I called her people back in the village and they're saying she hasn't returned home.
Well, in that case, I think we should speak with Buchi.
Buchi?
Yes.
Why?
Well, I saw her speaking with him the day she left. Maybe he might know something.
I will not do. So because your wife, you are now aware that your wife cannot give you a baby. That is why you are coming back. You are coming back to the same gate. For me to take you to the same gate, you insulted, embarrassed, made her look like a fool in front of everybody. Now you want me to take you there. It's not possible.
Buchi, please. You are a man and I'm sure you understand why my husband did what he did.
I don't understand. I don't care to understand. I don't even want to understand. It's like you don't know what your husband did to this girl. Your husband carried this innocent girl. The scatter, collect her virginity like this, scatter ram. Told her all sorts of lies. After everything now. In fact, her mother even died in this because of this matter. Her mother died. Person lost her life because of this matter. Now you just want me to come back and carry me. Make I go carry you, go beg the girl. For what now? Please don't involve me in this kind of talk. Don't involve me. The matter is between you, the girl, and God. May we live on like that. I beg.
Listen, I know there is no justification for what I did to Ezinne. She has every right not to forgive me, let alone give me the child. Look, all I want to do is apologize and ask her for forgiveness. That's all. Please.
Buchi, please. Do not just think about her, but her child. My husband told me that he saw her selling pure water by the roadside. I know you are a caring man, and you don't want that for her. Please, look beyond what has happened and think about the future of her and the baby. My husband is just trying to make amends. Please, let him do that. I beg you.
Uchi, I promise I will do everything in my power to take care of her and the baby. Look, I'm very desperate, okay? I need your help, Uchi. Please.
About the child.
Uchi.
Hello? Ezzy? Where are you? Yes, I dare your gate. Okay. Okay, you are very close. Okay. I'm here. Okay. She's close. She said she went down to get something. She's very close.
Okay.
Wait. What are you doing here? Buchi? What is he doing here?
Confess.
What are you doing here? Get out! What is he doing here? Why did you bring him here?
He's here to apologize to you.
Apologize for what? I don't need your stupid apology. Just get out of my house. I said get out! If I go in and come out and I meet you here, I will pour acid on you. And it's not going to be fake, oh. Real acid. Wait for me.
Ezi, Bia. Ezi. Ezi. Okay. Chairman, you have to go. You have to just go.
I can't believe if she has not forgiven me.
Honey, please. Go first. There is danger now. You can come back later.
He's right.
She's in the house.
Hey! No! Stay here! Stay here! Let me you! Why did you bring me here?
You are pregnant now. You know you're pregnant.
I don't care. Allow me to.
Yes!
Let me settle!
Please, I'm here with him.
And so what? Are you my mother? I said get this man out of here!
Ezinne, please. Please.
Please what? Also now you want to apologize? You want to apologize now? Just get out. I don't ever want to see your face here again. Get out!
Ezinne.
Just go. We'll talk to her.
Chairman, you have to go now. Please, you have to go. There is danger now. You have to go. Please.
No, we'll speak to her.
I was making progress. She was...
Let me carry you from. No be me bring you. Go first. Now, wow, okay, go first. Nah, make you go first. Go now. Wetin be this one now? See trouble wey dey cause. I say make you dey go first.
Just go first.
Why did you break me? Why did you lie? I gave you my soul. You let it die.
Why did you bring him here?
I'm sorry. I am sorry. He seemed really sorry.
That man is never sorry. He is not sorry. He only came here because he knows his wife can't give him a child. He's not sorry.
Yes. We're here because I cannot have a child. But my husband is also here because he wants to apologize for all he has put you through.
Apologize? What rubbish apology are you talking about? What rubbish apology? Can he make up for everything he did to me? Can he bring my mother back? Can he take away this pregnancy that has ruined my life? What can he do? If not for Buchi, maybe I would have been dead. Would I even be alive for you to come here and beg for forgiveness? You people should just go. Just leave
Everything in life happens for a reason. Buchi has had so many reasons to quit that job, but he never did. I've asked myself severally why. But maybe this is the reason. For him to keep you safe. To keep you and your child safe.
Ejinle, first of all, I want to say I'm very, very sorry for not informing you before I bring them here. I did not do this because of you. I only did this because of your unborn child. Look, let me tell you, every mother's top priority should be their child. I know that you are not a mother yet, but by the special grace of God, very soon you'll become a mother. Just look, just see how tough life is to you. Are you willing to expose your unborn child to this kind of hectic lifestyle? Please, I just want to beg you. Let's allow this man to take responsibility of everything he has caused you. Let him take care of this child. Please. I'm just begging.
Buchi is right. The truth is, this child deserves everything after all you have been through. You have every right to deny us access to your child. And I assure you, we won't even fight you for it. I just want you to look beyond your anger to your future and that of your child. Kunle and I will make sure you pick up your life and have the best education. We'll do our best to see that you have a successful and a happy life. But please, you need to allow us to do that. We will do all this not as a bribe or payment, because no amount of money will pay for the life of your mother. But we are doing this just to say we are sorry for all we have put you through. Please, Ezine. Please, we are so sorry. I beg you in the name of God to forgive us. Forgive my husband for all he has done to you. I'm so sorry. Ezine, your pain is justifiable, but I'm sorry.
Why am I hurting? What have you done?
How did you go? Okay. Please, you need to go now. Again? Yeah, go. But I just left now and I came back.
I say make you go. Let me talk to her. We'll try to convince her.
You will talk to her, right?
Let's go.
Baby, let's just go.
She doesn't want to see me.
Ha! Sir, just go. I will talk to her now.
But I left now.
Leave again now. See, you are the one making this thing very hard, sir. If they doesn't want to see you, go first. I will just. That's why I think you should go first.
But you don't understand.
Ha! Nah, Chineke. Go first. That's why I say make you the big. All this weekend, if you say this girl took you Danga for chest, now what you go talk? That's why I say make you the big. See am? Now you the beg now. Who na flash now?
marry me, and I swear I will make you the happiest woman in the world.
Conley, don't make too many promises.
I don't make promises I can't keep. When I said I wanted you for myself forever, I meant every word. But look, it's fine. I can wait if you're not ready.
No. I want it.
Don't get me angry. Answer my question. Did you sleep with any man last month?
Forgive me. It's too late.
Mama, get up now. Mama, what is this now? Mama.
Now we have regret.
Wait. Just hold on right there. So, are you trying to tell me you believe this script? This acting? Are you serious?
Kule, do you have something else to say?
I don't know who this girl is. I have never seen her in my life.
Babe, let us go and come back another time.
Oga, please. Can you just go? Just go today. Ezine is very, very upset. I'm not sure she will come out today.
I have said it and I'll say it again. I am not leaving this place until she forgives me. Look, I don't even want the baby anymore. I don't want a child. All I want is for her to forgive me. I'm sorry. Isn't it? I'm sorry for everything I have done to you. From the bottom of my heart, I have realized my mistakes. My actions were not just horrible, but inhuman. Isn't it? I am trying to be a better man. I'm trying to be a better man for myself, for my wife, and for everyone I have hurt. Please, find a place in your heart to forgive me. I don't want the child anymore. All I want is your forgiveness.
My mother always preached forgiveness. She said if humans were perfect, there would be no need for forgiveness. That it is only God that is perfect. I forgive you, Colin.
Thank you.
And I will give you your child.
Thank you, Thank you.
But I don't want to have anything to do with you in this life or the next. Yes, we have a child in common, but that should be the only thing you would talk or speak with me about. I will give you your child.
Thank you.
Mama is okay. Everything she talk now, she mean am. Don't worry. And she say she go give you your child. Don't worry. Calm down. Make I still get calm down.